Gravity Maze is a falling marble logic game by ThinkFun. It's a single-player game, great for players ages 8 and up, including adults. Your goal is to use towers to build a maze that will carry your marble from the start position to the target. Towers can stand on their own, be stacked, or even laid on their side to create a maze, and each tower color has a unique arrangement of ramps and ridges which affect the direction the marble will go, so your maze may not have as clear a path as you think. Here's a quick rundown of how to play. To begin, choose a challenge card which shows you where to place your starting towers. These black dots on the tower pieces should match the black dots on the card, showing you exactly how the piece should be placed on the grid for this challenge. Once you're set up, you can collect the towers you'll use to build your maze, which are indicated here under Add to Grid. You can set aside any leftovers. You won't need all the towers for every challenge. Now you can experiment with building a path for your marble. When you're ready, give it a try by dropping your marble at the starting position, which is indicated on your challenge card with a white dot. If the marble doesn't reach the target, it's time to retrace your steps and figure out what went wrong. If the marble ends in the target tower, you win. Let's try a more advanced challenge. This one requires us to stack the towers. The outer color shown on your card is the tower that goes on the bottom. The inner color is the tower that goes on top. Make sure you still align the black dots as shown. If you see a long rectangle on this part of the card, it means you'll be using this tower on its side to solve the challenge. If you get stuck, you can always check the back of the card for the solution, although sometimes there's more than one way to solve a challenge. Once you've mastered the game, we encourage you to build your own challenges and be as creative with your maze as you can. Here's what you get with each game: 1 game grid, 9 building towers, and 1 target tower, 3 marbles, 1 to play and 2 spares, 60 challenges ranging from beginning to expert, and game instructions. Gravity Maze is brought to you by ThinkFun, the world's leader in addictively fun games that sharpen your mind.